Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna show you a G-Town beatdown, okay?
Why are you throwing tennis balls?
I did not throw a tennis ball.
Really?
Yeah.
Why are you throwing tennis balls?
Get out, sucker! I'll teach you a lesson. Don't come to Jordan. You're not welcome. And this is Flying Pig News, where we get all the beatdowns. You don't have a traffic way. He's walking and he died. This is your ball sitting on this. I'm gonna show you a replica of what happened. Doesn't matter because he's dead. You know what I'm saying? Nothing's gonna happen. I'm guessing they put it from all angles. Like, you know? And from anywhere else they could, you know what I'm saying? Forget about the dead body. He's not a coffee mug.
What just happened? What? No?
Ah!
Not again! Ow.
Oh, today I'm showing my mad doggy skills, okay? That was bad. Don't stare at me! Oh, we come. Yeah. Do that again. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm gonna show you my mad skills of dodging. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, you my hand.
Get closer. You keep walking away.
Do we have a buffet table?
Really?
I can say one video thing doesn't have a buffet table.
Really, Jose? I just started recording.
Well, get a buffet table. Every good. Oh, he failed and missed me, so I gotta throw the ball back up there. I actually didn't mean that.
You suck.
You suck! Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you my mad skills, okay? Be prepared. They're going to throw. He's going to throw a tennis ball at me. I'm going to dodge with my eyes closed. You suck.